Hello, Chris Green here with the Flood Insurance Guru. Today, we're answering the age-old question, that is, does home insurance cover water in your basement? It's a question we get almost every day here at the Flood Insurance Guru. Today, we're going to answer that question for you. So today we're talking about, does home insurance cover water in your basement? On a traditional home insurance policy, you might have multiple coverages. You might have a sump pump backup. You might have water backup in your home. Those are some great coverages. But generally, in a lot of situations, home insurance is not going to cover water in your basement. Generally, what one of these is inundation of water. We're talking about here surface water that comes into your basement from outside the home. We're not talking about seepage. We're talking about, really filling your basement up. And we've seen this a lot with flash flooding, like you can see right here behind me, where it fills a basement. People think they have coverage on their home insurance and that they're covered, but they're not because of the type of water that came in here. This is exactly where flood insurance comes into play. Is flood insurance going to cover your basement? It's important to understand that in many situations, flood insurance on basements is very limited. In fact, the National Flood Insurance Program usually states that things that it covers are things that make it safe, like the foundation walls, maybe the concrete floor, staircase, circuit breakers, those kinds of things. They generally limit your contents coverage to a freezer or a fridge. Now, there are some private companies that will cover certain things in a basement, but if you have a nice finished out basement, and in many situations, this could be $100,000 improvements, you may not have coverage at all. So it's really important to understand that you have the right coverage in place, whether it's through your home insurance, your flood insurance, to protect your property when it comes to water damage below ground. So if you've got questions about obtaining flood insurance to cover your basement, click below to visit our website, floodinsuranceguru.com. Remember, we have an educational background in flood mitigation, which means we're here to help you simplify your flood insurance and understand flood risk like this one right here through education. Thank you.